Making a lunula is very similar, of course, to making a bulla. I've only had a few students who wanted to make a lunula, but I figured out a way to do that as well. So you start the same, except for you don't have a circle, you have a crescent ready to be used. You have your ribbon ready, pre-knotted, and foil, which we've smoothed out. You're going to make that first fold where you have more than an inch on one side, and that will become your front. And so the shiny side out is what I like. And then you're going to put it in your crescent in points down, okay? Points down. Try to get it centered. It doesn't have to be perfect. And make sure that points are indeed touching. Smooth this out so you can see where they're touching there. In fact, and we can see the whole crescent. So we've got that part done. Then we're gonna do the folds the same way we did with the bulla, where we have that fold at the bottom corner as if we're folding an airplane. And here's where we're gonna do something slightly different. We're gonna actually cut the foil in two places, here and here. So we can fold the foil up there and there so that we have the edges of our crescent pointing down. Okay, so we've got the bottom part shaped now. Then back to the original folds where we have the perpendicular fold. Remember, these folds need to be right up next to the disc or it won't look right. And then we need the ice cream cone fold. Where you pretend you have a middle point at the top. And then you fold it over. Remember, the back does not have to look neat. I've had students that have gone crazy trying to make the back look neat. No one's gonna see the back. No one cares about the back. In fact, I think I'm gonna tear some of this off. There's just too much back there. Okay, so we've got our pointy bit at the top. Now we're ready for our ribbon. Once again, we find the knot. Make it roll down a little bit. Find those loose ends, get those tucked in as well. A little tricky. We roll that down tight. Check out the front, smooth it up. See if I can make that a little smoother there. Point down. I like to make them pointy looking. But basically you now have your Lunula ready to go. Ta-da!